Do you take this man for your lawful husband? Yes, I do.
And once again, thank you all for really supporting us. Lacelle Parnell, Girlie!
I just want to tell you, it's a blessing having you here. And trust me, this is my first time performing right here. Ever since I've come to America from 1996, I've always wanted to perform here. And tonight you made me like a DJ. I just want to let you know before you all leave that this is just a tipping of the iceberg. We coming back next year. As a matter of fact, October with Girlie's Bashment Wedding, Girlie and Wedding. So you're going to see those scholars waiting down and Girlie's going to be one. Coming straight from the audience coming on stage. So come to the wedding. And you're getting original invite. Invitation sent to your house to come to the wedding. But not for free, you have to pay.